For an all-on-4 patient, how do we manage to give the teeth in 24 hours? This is often a question that is asked to us. Hi, I am Dr.Prem Alex Lawrence. I am a dentist and an implantologist, and I've done more than 8,000 dental implants and more than 900 full mouth implants, that is all-on-4, all-on-6 cases. So how do we do this? In my clinic, I have a dedicated team which works round the clock to make sure that the patient receives the best care and the fastest possible care. The surgeries are usually planned early in the morning, and once the surgery is done, usually under conscious sedation, where an anesthetist in my team is there to administer a drug to your body which makes you sleep, and while you're sleeping we perform all the surgical work, that is extracting the teeth, cleaning the gums, cleaning the bone, placing the implants, as well as placing the abutments onto the implant. Once the surgical work is done, we do an impression, and the impression is made using a digital impression technique, and once that digital impression technique is transferred immediately to my lab, the lab 3D prints your jaw. This 3D printed model is used to transform into your own teeth by my technician, where there are few steps such as jig trial, jaw relation and wax trial, all of which are finished on the same appointment as on the day of surgery. So usually if the patient's appointment started in the morning, we give breaks between these 4-5 sittings and making sure that the patient is comfortable inside the clinic. So while the patient waits in the clinic, his teeth are simultaneously manufactured in my lab. So 100% of the time, within 24 hours, that is before the next day morning, the patient is handed over the first set of teeth. Remember, the first set of teeth is an acrylic prosthesis, which is a temporary interim prosthesis until the implants get integrated over a period of 4 to 6 months time. After this stipulated waiting time, the patient comes back to the clinic for a review, and when which interim prosthesis is removed and the process to give a permanent prosthesis, usually a ceramic prosthesis, is started. So this is how we do it in 24 hours, and the patient gets a wonderful smile in a day's time and gets back home. All this is only possible because my team works passionately round the clock to deliver your smile. Once again, your Nanban, Dr. Prem Alex Lawrence.